Mute the lecture. Hi, my students. Hi, my students. సో ఇది 2024లో వచ్చిన జేఈ మెయిన్స్లో వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్, ఇది కరెంట్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ టాపిక్ నుంచి. సో మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఆర్ ఈక్వివాలెంట్ అక్రాస్ ఏ అండ్ బి టెర్మినల్ కాడ కనుక్కోవాలి మనం. సో ఈక్వివాలెంట్ రెసిస్టర్ కనుక్కోవాలి అక్రాస్ ఏ అండ్ బి టెర్మినల్. సో తర్వాత నేను ఏం చేశానంటే ఇక్కడ ఏ పాయింట్ నుంచి బి పాయింట్ కాడ ఒక టెంపరీ బ్యాటరీ అనేది కన్సిడర్ చేశాను. టెంపరీ బ్యాటరీ ఎందుకు కన్సిడర్ చేశారంటే ఫర్ అజంప్షన్. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ అనేది పాస్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటే, సో ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ అనేది డివైడ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో డివైడ్ అయిపోయి ఈ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ అనేది ఇలా పాస్ అవుతుంది అండ్ అదే ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ అనేది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ. సో ఇది 0 వోల్టేజ్ అనుకుంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ దాకా, సో 0 కరెంట్ అనుకుంటే 0 వోల్టేజ్ ఆర్ 0 కరెంట్. సో డైరెక్ట్ అదే కరెంట్ అనేది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది మనకు. అండ్ ఇక్కడ సో నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం రాసుకుంటున్నా అంటే, సో ఇక్కడ ఇది వి అండ్ అగైన్ సేమ్ వి అనేది ఇక్కడ పాస్ అయింది కదా డి పాయింట్ కాడ. అండ్ అగైన్ ఇది 0 వోల్ట్, ఇది అదే 0 వోల్ట్ ఇక్కడ పాస్ అయింది కదా. సో ఇక్కడ నేను ఏమని రాసుకుంటున్నా అంటే పాయింట్స్ ని ఏ అండ్ బి పాయింట్స్. సో ఏ టు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ దాకా ఒక రెసిస్టర్ ఉందిగా. సో రెసిస్టర్ వాల్యూ ఎంత, 20 ఓం. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ సి టు డి. సి టు డి అనేది డైరెక్ట్ కనెక్షన్ కాదు అది. సో ఎలా అంటే ఇది, సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ దాకా ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ ఇక్కడ పాస్ అయింది, మధ్యలో ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండు ఉన్నాయి. సో 0 వోల్ట్, ఇది నేను ఏబి పాయింట్ కాకుండా ఇన్ని వి అండ్ దీన్ని 0 వి అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో వి టు 0 వి మధ్యలో ఒక రెసిస్టర్ ఉంది, 20 ఓం రెసిస్టర్. అండ్ అగైన్ వి టు 0 వి అగైన్ ఇంకొక రెసిస్టర్ ఉంది, 20 ఓం. అండ్ అగైన్ వి టు 0 వి వోల్ట్. సో మధ్యలో ఇంకొక రెసిస్టర్ ఉంది, 20 ఓం. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ మూడు ఈ ఫామ్ లో కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇది కూడా 20 ఓం రెసిస్టర్. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి మీరు, ఈ 3 రెసిస్టర్స్ అనేవి ఏ కనెక్షన్ లో ఉన్నాయి, ప్యారలల్ కనెక్షన్. ప్యారలల్ కనెక్షన్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే, సో 1/R1 plus 1/R2 plus 1/R3. If 3 resistors are connected in parallel, so then the formula of the resistor 1/R equivalent is equal to 1/R1 plus 1/R2 plus 1/R3. Then substitute R1, R2, R3 values in this formula. So I am considering this is R1, this one is R2, this one is R3. Then 1/R equivalent is equal to, so 1/20 plus 1/20 plus 1/20. Then take LCM common here. So 20 with the LCM and numerator 1 plus 1 plus 1. So now it will become 3/20. So here R equivalent, what we got, R equivalent is equal to 3/20. That is 1/R equivalent. Then R equivalent value 20/3. So this is the R equivalent across the two terminals A and B. So next question, so So this is the R equivalent across A and B terminal. Then the next question. So same question, just I am changing the values. If he will not give any values of resistor, then what we have to consider? Just take, instead of 20 ohm, you can consider just R. సో 20 ఓం బదులు నేను జస్ట్ ఆర్ అనుకుంటున్నా, ఆర్ అని రాసుకుంటున్నా. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఏ అండ్ బి టర్మినల్. అగైన్ we have to find R equivalent across A and B. So what we have to do? We have to find R equivalent across A and B. So these 2 points we can consider. This is the point C and this is the point D. So for our convenient method, so I am taking a temporary battery. సో టెంపరీ బ్యాటరీకి కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్టు నేను అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను. సో అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఏంటంటే మనకి ఇది, సో పాజిటివ్ టర్మినల్ ఆఫ్ ద సెల్ ఆర్ బ్యాటరీ కదా ఇది. సో పాజిటివ్ టర్మినల్ ఆఫ్ ద సెల్ అంటే దానికి ఎంతో అంత వోల్టేజ్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ చిన్న టర్మినల్ ఏంటిదంటే దానికి సో 0 వోల్ట్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ పాయింట్ కాడ మనకు అదే వోల్ట్ అనేది V అనేది పాస్ అవుతుంది కదా అప్ టు దిస్ పాయింట్. అండ్ అగైన్ ఫ్రమ్ టు హియర్ it was going up to this point. So this is I am considering right now. So from 0 volt to ఈ 0 volt అనేది ఎక్కడ దాకా రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటుంది, ఇక్కడ దాకా. సో ఇది 0 volt. అదే 0 volt అనేది ఈ టెంపరీ వైర్ నుంచి సో ఇక్కడికి పాస్ అవుతుంది అది. సో ఇప్పుడు పాయింటింగ్ తీసుకుంటే V అండ్ 0Vకి సో ఇక్కడ ఒక రెసిస్టర్ ఉంది R. సో V నుంచి 0V మధ్యలో ఒక రెసిస్టర్ ఉంది. మళ్ళీ 0V నుంచి Vకి ఇంకొక రెసిస్టర్ ఉందా? అండ్ అగైన్ V నుంచి 0V ఇంకొక రెసిస్టర్ ఉంది. సో ఈచ్ రెసిస్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూ R, capital R. So now, so this is in the form of parallel connection of resistors. In the parallel connection of resistor formula, so R parallel 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So I am considering this is R1, this is R2 and this is R3. Then just we have to substitute the R1, R2, R3 values in the given formula. Then 1 by R parallel is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R. So take LCM R, then what will become this one? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 by R. So 1 by R value, 1 by R value 3 by R. Then we have to consider net equivalent resistance across A and B terminal. So then R equivalent, RAB is equal to R by 3. So ఈ క్వశ్చన్ 2025 జేఈ మెయిన్స్ లో సో జనవరి సెషన్ లో అడిగాడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్. సో జనవరి సెషన్ లో జేఈ మెయిన్స్ 2025 లో అడిగాడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్. సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్, కరెంట్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ నుంచి చాలా బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయి. So then come to the other questions. So next question. I am taking PYQ book. Again, we have to find the equivalent resistor across A and B terminal. So the formula was, the question was, here he was given 3 ohm resistor. This was a 3 ohm resistor, and again 2 ohm, and next 4 ohm he was given, and from there downward 6 ohm and 4 ohm. So this is the 6 ohm and this was the 4 ohm. And again, what he did here, a common wire is connected between the 4 and 4 ohm. So here a common wire is connected. A common wire is connected across these two 4 ohm resistor. Then we have to find R equivalent across A and B terminal. What we have to do? We have to find R equivalent resistor across A and B terminal. So just assume a temporary battery here or temporary cell. This was the temporary. Then this was the positive terminal means V, and again negative terminal means 0 voltage. So here, so the potential was passing through the wire from 3 ohm resistor to 2 ohm resistor, and again it was dividing now. It was dividing and same potential difference was coming at this point. Then what will become here? So this total two 4 ohms will be short circuited. So these two 4 ohms, 4 ohm resistors are short circuited. Why? Because of same potential difference will passing through these two terminals. Then the next point, so it was completely short circuited, means there is no resistors again now. So then the given question will become, given diagram will become right now. So this was a 3 ohm, 2 ohm and 6 ohm. So this is the A terminal and this one is the B terminal. Then the three resistors are connected in which form? So they are in series connection. So what is the formula of series? So resistors are connected in series. In the formula of Rs is equal to, so R1 plus R2 plus R3. Just we have to add 3 ohm, 2 ohm and 6 ohm values. So this question was asked in 2023 JEE Mains exam. JEE Mains 2023. So then substitute the R1, R2, R3 value. What will become then Rs? 3 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 6 ohm. Then add those three resistors. 11 ohm is the equivalent resistor across the A and B terminal. Okay. Who are watching live, so please subscribe and like the video, then only it will reach to the more members. Then the next question, then the next question, find R equivalent across A and B terminals. So the given question is resistor of 5 ohm and again resistor of 10 ohm and then resistor of 20 ohm and again, so here other connection is there of resistance value 10 ohm and downward here again one resistor was connected of 10 ohm again. Then find the R equivalent across A and B terminal. So this is the given question which is asked in 2024. So in the year of 2024 he was asked this question. So what we have to do here, we have to find R equivalent resistor across A and B terminal. So this was the A terminal and this was the B terminal, and now so I am considering this was the C and this was the D terminal. So here this was A. From A to C one resistor is there, so I am considering this is C, and from C to D, so this is the C to D, and this is the B terminal. From A to C one resistor is there of 5 ohm, and again C to D one resistor is there of 10 ohm, so this is a 10 ohm and this one is the 5 ohm. And next C to B a resistor is there of 20 ohm, value of 20 ohm, and again A to D a resistor is there, the value of resistance how much we given, the value of resistor 10 ohm. And again B to D. B to D a resistor is there of 20 ohm. Yeah, I drawn already. So this is the B to D here. So this is the 20 ohm. And from C to B. C to B a resistor is there. Value of resistor 10 ohm. Then are you getting any idea about this diagram? So this is in the form of Wheatstone bridge. If the same potential is passing through the C and D point, then the middle resistor will be short circuited. What will happen? It will be short circuited. So then this circuit will become, the above circuit will become right now 5 ohm resistor, 10 ohm resistor, 10 ohm resistor, 20 ohm resistor. So this was the 5 ohm, this was the 10 ohm, and this was the 10 ohm resistor, and this was the 20 ohm resistor. So Wheatstone bridge formula idea on the meeku? Wheatstone bridge formula. So R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4. So just substitute R1, R2, R3, R4 value. So if you getting same resistor across these two terminal, then the value should be in the middle resistor will become 0. So R1 5 by 10 is equal to 10 by 20. So 5 twos are 10 twos are. So then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So it was satisfying the Wheatstone bridge. So that is the reason I removed here the middle resistor of value 10 ohm. So now the in which form this was, these two resistors are in series connection. So they are in now series connection of, so series connection of resistor formula. So R series is equal to R1 plus R2. So then series connection of formula Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. R series is equal to. So then simply add these two. So then finally the diagram will become in this form. So here 5 plus 10 ohm. So 15 ohm. The value is 15 ohm. And here 10 plus 20 ohm. Total 30 ohm. So the place was not sufficient to write those. So that's why I'm rubbing this. So then here, so here two resistors are in which connection right now? They are in parallel connection. So they are in parallel connection. So R parallel, if the resistors are connected in parallel, so then the formula is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So two resistors are there. So then the result is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by, so 15 ohm plus 1 by 30 ohm. So take LCM common 30. So 30 2s are 15 2s are 2, 15 2s are 30 plus here 31s are 30. So 3 by 30, this is the value. This is 1 by Rp value. If you want to find Rp, then just do the reciprocal. Means 30 by 3. So 3 ones are and 3 tensor. So then the R equivalent resistance across A and B terminal is 10 ohm. So R equivalent across A and B terminal is 10 ohm. If he gives some value of potential difference, if he give any value of potential difference, then if he asks find the electric current, then how you can solve this? Just listen. So again he given some potential difference. So then what is the value of electric current? He will ask. The potential difference of 20 volt he given. Then how you solve? So we know that from Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. So what is Ohm's law? At constant temperature, so potential difference across the conductor is directly proportional to the amount of current passing through the conductor. So V is directly proportional to I is nothing but Ohm's law, where V is equal to I into R, where R is the proportionality constant, we can say. So if he asks how much the electric current is passing through the circuit, then what we have to do? I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. So then substitute V value and R value. So R equivalent you got 10 ohm. So then V value potential difference across the circuit is 20 volt and R equivalent 10. So 20 by 10. So 2 amp is the electric current passing through the circuit from the uh, battery. Exact this question only he asked in. So in which year? Just wait. 2023 JEE means 2023 he asked about this question. Find the electric current passing through the circuit. He given 20 volt potential difference and the circuit connection in this form. We have to apply the Wheatstone bridge. So then we can get the electric current according to the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR formula. Yeah, board was not clear. I am trying to change that. So the reason for that, so network connection, we are not getting the proper network here. So that is the reason for the board was not clear. Then we revise some basic formula in electric current, or shall we do some problems? So next given question. Next given question. Current electricity. So most important chapter for JEE Mains 2023. 6. So in this chapter, so definitely he will ask 1 to 2 questions in each and every shift in your JEE 2026 examination. So we are going to revise now some basic formula which are in current electricity. So in that, first, what is meant by electric current? What is meant by electric current? So electric current is denoted with capital I or small I symbol. It was denoted with capital I or small I. So electric current is nothing but rate of change of charge. So how can you say the formula? I is equal to Q by T. సో అంటే ఏంటిదంటే ఇక్కడ సో కొంత టయానికి ఒక సర్టెన్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఛార్జ్ అనేది మూవ్ అవుతుంది, దాన్ని ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ అంటాం. సో ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్ ఈస్ డినోటెడ్ విత్ క్యాపిటల్ ఐ సింబల్ ఆర్ స్మాల్ ఐ. సో యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కరెంట్. SI unit of electric current is, so charge unit is coulomb and time unit is second, or we can say it is a ampere. What it is? Ampere. So electric current is a scalar quantity or vector quantity or a tensor quantity. So we should know in that. So electric current has specified direction and certain magnitude, but it doesn't satisfy the vector law of addition. So it doesn't satisfy the vector law of addition. So that's why electric current is a scalar quantity, we can say. Actually, in some standard books, electric current can be say tensor quantity, but after some year, so what they did, they removed the tensor quantity. Why? Because of so many students are getting confusion. So that is the reason. Tensor quantity means it doesn't have a fixed direction and also it doesn't satisfy the vector law of addition. So now, so electric current is a scalar quantity we can consider. So then, for small interval of time, electric current can be written as dq by dt. So for small charge and small interval of time, so electric current I is equal to dq by dt. So then for instantaneous current, electric current I is equal to, so wait, from this apply both side integration, then dq is equal to I into dt. So now apply both side integration. So this will become q is equal to integration of I into dt. If the current is given in terms of time, then we have to use this formula. సో ఇది ఈ రోజు నేను ఈ వీడియోలో చెప్పాలనుకున్నది. సో టుమారో మళ్ళీ ఇదే టైంకి లైవ్ పెట్టుకుందాం. సేమ్ కరెంట్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ కంటిన్యూషన్ పార్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.